Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Hope everyone's doing well out there. So far, some packages have been showing up here for the custom Chinese guitar build that is coming in hopefully soon. So far, I sent the photos of what I'm looking for as far as the headstock and my logo goes. Not really a logo, just more of my channel's name. But parts are coming in already. And so I'm kind of anxious to see what showed up. So far, I haven't checked with eBay or any of the other sellers to see, what has showed up yet, because usually I don't until I open the package and make sure that everything is what it's supposed to be. Then I'll do my feedback with the sellers on eBay. Almost said Fleabay. Well, I guess you can call it Fleabay. I don't know. But let's get in there and see what's going on here. So I got my knife, and I'm going to open up box number 1, see what this is. And I don't want to puncture this too far because I don't want to scratch or mark up or cut up or anything that's inside of here. I gotta sharpen this knife. So let's see what this is. Ooh, yeah. So it looks like I have my Seymour Duncans came in. So that's kind of nice. Anybody want some packing peanuts? Actually, that's actually pretty good. I don't mind having this much, but when you have a whole box full, that's kind of, it's fun, isn't it? So let's see what we got here. Yep, that knife needs to be sharpened. So we have the distortion trimbucker. And the distortion humbucker. So this one here is going to be the neck, yep, neck. And this one here is going to be the bridge, yep, the sign, piece of paper. Okay, package number 2. All right, so I got my Grover tuners. These are the Grover locking with the thumb. This looks like my bridge. Yep, it is. Wilkinson's locking bridge. Alright, so I want to thank Shane for leaving a comment on my last video about the parts that I'm gathering for the custom build or whatever, the guitar that I've got coming in that's coming from China. He said that he had a problem with the F-spacing pickup that he took off of his Fender guitar, and I believe he put it on his Gibson guitar, and there was a problem with the string spacing over the pole pieces on that pickup. So what I got going on over here is I have the Wilkinson's bridge, I have the F-spaced distortion trimbucker, and I have my caliper. So I know for a fact that Wilkinson's bridge has a 2-inch string spacing from outside string to outside string, so that's E to E. So I'm gonna go ahead, grab my 2-inch here and get it right to the 2-inch, not 2-1, 2-inch right there. Lock that in place. All right, so that's 2 inches right there. If you can see it, there you go. Grab the F-spaced humbucker. Now on the humbucker itself, I'm not going to measure the screwed pole pieces, the adjustable pole pieces. I'm going to measure the ones that are on the opposite side that are machined cut. And you could see when they were put on a lathe or however they were cut, you could kind of see some rings going towards center. And that's what I'm wanting to use for my measuring. So I'm going to go ahead and take the caliper and place it over. I want to see exactly where this is going to line up at. Alright, so it's not exactly over each center pole piece. They're kind of a little bit on the inside of the pole pieces, which if I would to back this off, say about back over here, I don't know, it may be a problem, may not be a problem. So thanks, Shane, for the info. Made me kind of look at this a little bit more closer. I know the string spacing are pretty damn close between pole piece to pole piece. But in case this is going to be a problem, I have a backup plan. I ordered another one of these pickups, but it's not F-spaced. So that'll work out either way. If I don't use the F-space pickup, or if I do use the F-space pickup, I still have a backup plan. So this is what I got going on right now. I still have some more parts that are coming in. The Seymour Duncan regular distortion pickup that matches with this one, that's not F-spaced. Again, with the backup plan, just in case this one doesn't work, is on its way. I have it's a pack of 10 of CTS 500K pots that are coming in, and I have a couple of push and pull CTS pots that are coming in, which are different than the ones I showed in the last video. These ones here, I think, are a little bit more sealed as far as the switch part of it goes. And I think that's it that's coming for that guitar. I have everything else here. I'm thinking about maybe putting a kill switch on it. So I'll have the variety as far as tone goes with these guys, with the caps I'm wanting to do. I'm going to put a different cap on the bridge pickup than on the neck pickup. The bridge pickup will have a higher number cap than the, let's see, I think I'm going to put like a, was it a 64 on this one? And on the neck, I'll put like a 22 on there. And that'll give me a little bit more variety as far as tone goes, plus taking both pickups and reversing the polarity on them with the push and pull switch will also give a lot more as far as a variety of tone, and adding a little bit of a extra with the kill switch on there and seeing how that works out. Hopefully there'll be enough room in the cavity to do all this, and I think there is, because you've all seen with Les Paul how much they cut out to install their stuff. But anyways, thanks, Shane, again for the info on this. I looked into it, and it might be a problem, so that's why I got the backup. Anyways, I do have a project coming in that will be a resto mod. Somebody on YouTube got a hold of me, and we've been going back and forth on email, and he wants to send me his guitar, and I'm not going to show pictures of it because I'll wait till it actually comes in to show it. But I really like what he did with the body, and it's very interesting. It's kind of cool. It's very cool, actually. And I'm a little excited to, help the guy out and get his guitar up and going for him. So I'm not going to say anything more about that until that shows up. That way I don't stick my foot in my mouth in case it doesn't. So anyways, yeah, this is what I got going on right now. And, hopefully by the end of the month, I'll hear something back from the factory, and they'll be shipping out the guitar. So you guys take it easy, have a good one, and keep warm or keep cool wherever you're at.